Hey there, I'm Jenn HERMAN with Jenn's Trends. And if you've heard the news about Instagram going back to chronological and wondering what this means, this is the video for you. So yes, this week in December of 2021, it was announced that Instagram is working on a feature that will essentially bring back the chronological feed. So of course, everyone's talking about it. Everyone's hypothesizing about it. And I'm here to tell you not to freak out about it. So it is going to be a feature. It is something that they are testing. It is something that they have in beta right now. It is not something currently available. The idea is that you will have the option to choose recent posts when you log on to Instagram and be able to see that content chronologically from where the current time that you're logged in. Now, here's the thing. This is not a default setting. You cannot tell Instagram to go to chronological every single time. When you log in, it is still going to default to the algorithmic sort. How many people are going to switch to a chronological and how often are they going to do it? It's obviously unknown at this point. I honestly believe this is Instagram trying to give people something that they think they want in a way to grab some attention and bring people back to Instagram. They are fighting hard with attention right now compared to TikTok, and they're trying to find ways to keep people on the platform or bring people to the platform. And it's been so demanded for so long to return to chronological that I am sure they are doing this merely as a means to kind of appease that audience, to bring people back in that component. So are they going to do it? Yeah, I'm sure they're going to do it. It's not a permanent thing. They're not returning things to a chronological feed. It's still going to be algorithmically sorted. Doesn't mean you have to think about two feeds when you're creating content, having another strategy. No, absolutely not. Most people are still going to come in and see everything in the algorithmic sort. Most people are not going to switch to the chronological. Some people will, yes. But here's the thing, if people are interacting positively and in a good algorithmic way with your content, they're going to see you in the algorithmic sort. When they go to chronological, if you've posted recently, then they're going to see your content because it's chronological. If you haven't posted recently, that's okay because they're more likely to have seen you in the algorithmic sort. Most people are not going to go to the chronological every single time they log in. And if they do, chances are those are heavy users. Those are people who don't want it sorted algorithmically because they're logging in consistently and frequently, in which case it doesn't really matter because whether you post, once a week or every single day, if that heavy user is logging in constantly to be able to go in and choose the chronological, then they're going to see your content because they're constantly there. So it doesn't mean you're going to get any more exposure or any less exposure. I don't think this is going to have any significant impact on reach or performance for brands, businesses, and accounts overall. I think this is meant as a means to appease users, to keep some people happy, to be able to have them sort things chronologically. And I think most people, when they get in there and see it sorted chronologically, are going to turn around and not really care. They're going to end up leaving on algorithmic sort and realize it's not that important for it to be chronological. So that's my take on it. I am not worried about it. I don't think you need to worry about it. If anything changes when the feature rolls out in early 2022, I will be sure to let you know. I will be sure to update you. We will have blog content and video content and all the things when this rolls out. But for right now, sit down, calm down, take a deep breath. It's going to be okay. I promise you, it's going to be okay. If you want to get excited about this, get excited about it. If you think this is something you really want and you're excited to have the feature back, great. I'm happy for you. But from a business perspective, a strategy perspective, this doesn't change anything that you're currently doing. If you found this video helpful, I would love for you to follow this channel, subscribe to the channel here on YouTube to get more videos and updates when things like this happen. And make sure you check out my free Facebook group. Go to Facebook and search Jenn's Trends in social media, where we talk about all breaking news and updates when things like this happen in the Instagram world. We talk about it in the Facebook group. So I will see you in the next video.